The tech world is currently standing on the precipice of a revolution that feels less like a simple annual update and more like a fundamental shift in how we perceive the pocket-sized supercomputers we carry every day. When we talk about the iPhone 18 Pro Max, we aren't just discussing a new titanium frame or a slightly faster chip. We're dissecting a masterclass in engineering that Apple has been quietly perfecting behind closed doors for years. This isn't just another smartphone. It is the culmination of a decade of silicon dominance and a vision of a post-screen era that is finally becoming a reality. Imagine a device so powerful that the lines between professional-grade cinematography and mobile photography don't just blur, they vanish entirely. The rumors swirling around the supply chain in Cupertino suggest that the iPhone 18 Pro Max is set to debut a display technology that we have only ever seen in high-end medical equipment or specialized military hardware. We are looking at a sub-slab OLED structure that promises a peak brightness so intense it could rival the midday sun, yet managed by a refresh rate so fluid it makes the current 120 Hz promotion look like a slideshow from the early 2000s. But the real magic isn't just in what you see, it's in what's happening underneath that glass. The A19 Pro chip is rumored to be the first consumer-grade processor built on a 1.4-nanometer process, a feat of physics that many thought was impossible just 24 months ago. This isn't just about opening apps faster or rendering games with ray tracing that rivals a dedicated gaming console. It is about an integrated neural engine capable of trillions of operations per second, allowing the phone to literally predict your next move before you even touch the screen. This proactive AI integration means your phone isn't just a tool, it's an extension of your cognitive workflow. When you hold this device, the first thing you'll notice is the weight, or rather, the lack of it. Apple is reportedly experimenting with a new ceramic titanium composite that offers the structural integrity of a diamond, while remaining remarkably light in the palm. This material isn't just for show, it acts as a massive heat sink, allowing the A19 Pro to run at peak clock speeds for hours without the dreaded thermal throttling that plagues every other flagship on the market. For the creators, the filmmakers, and the storytellers, the camera system on the iPhone 18 Pro Max is nothing short of a miracle. We are hearing reports of a variable aperture primary sensor that physically moves to adjust to lighting conditions, effectively killing the need for bulky DSLR setups for 90% of professional shoots. Imagine capturing 8K ProRes video at 120 frames per second with a dynamic range that preserves detail in the deepest shadows and the brightest highlights simultaneously. This is the Pro in Pro Max taken to its ultimate logical conclusion. The telephoto lens is also seeing a massive overhaul, moving away from simple prisms to a liquid lens technology that allows for instantaneous focal shifts, meaning you can jump from a macro shot of honeybee to a 10x optical zoom of a distant skyline without a single frame of hunting or blur. It's snappy, it's visceral, and it's undeniably Apple. Beyond the hardware, the software experience is evolving into something entirely new. iOS 19 is expected to launch alongside this hardware with a focus on invisible interfaces. The dynamic island is no longer just a cutout. It is a portal that expands and retracts with a haptic feedback system that mimics physical buttons. You'll feel the click of a shutter or the turn of a dial through the glass itself. Battery life is another area where Apple is looking to silence the critics forever. By utilizing a new graphene-based battery chemistry, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is targeting a 3-day battery life for the average user, and even for the most demanding power users, getting through a full 48 hours on a single charge is now the baseline expectation. And when you do need to juice up, the new MagSafe Ultra standard is rumored to provide 100W wireless charging, taking you from 0 to 80% in the time it takes to brew a cup of coffee. This isn't just about convenience. It's about removing the tether of the charging cable from our lives once and for all. Security is also reaching new heights with under-display Face ID that is faster and more secure than anything we've seen, capable of recognizing your unique infrared signature even in pitch-black environments or while wearing heavy winter gear. As we look at the competitive landscape, it becomes clear that the iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't just competing with other phones. It's competing with the very concept of what a personal device should be. With the integration of Apple's latest satellite 2.0 technology, you'll have high-speed data connectivity in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean or the peak of the Himalayas, rendering dead zones a relic of the past. The environmental impact is also at the forefront, with 100% recycled rare earth elements and a carbon-neutral manufacturing process that sets a new gold standard for the industry. This is a device built for the future by a company that is obsessed with the tiniest details. Every curve of the frame, every line of code in the kernel, and every pixel on that breathtaking display has been scrutinized to provide an experience that feels like magic. As the leaks continue to pour in, one thing is certain. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is not just an upgrade. It is a declaration of dominance. It is the phone that will define the next 5 years of mobile technology, and once you see it in action, there is simply no going back to anything else. We are witnessing the birth of a new era in personal computing, and the iPhone 18 Pro Max is leading the charge with an elegance and power that remains completely unmatched in the history of the world.